Okay, so in this exercise, what we're going to go into is going to be the deep squat. So this isn't going to be like your traditional kind of squats now. This is going to be more like a little bit unconventional, where we're going to go into as deep a squat as we possibly can, and we're just going to move the legs and the feet into that position that allows you to sink right the way down. Your back is going to round out, okay, yeah, and that's going to be absolutely fine. We're not looking for that nice kind of straight neutral spine. We're just looking to get into the depth of the squat so we can mobilize the hips, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go into a position whereby we're already in the squat position itself. So I want you to use your hands, and I want you to find a place whereby you can get your feet into a position whereby they're both flat, okay, and you can sit into that deep squat like so. What we're then going to look for in this position, okay, is to have your arms on the inside of the knees, okay, and holding them in like so. So you're just kind of starting to push the knees out slightly, and then you can use your hands then to rest onto the floor in that deep squat position there, okay? And so all I want you to do is get into that position there, stay there for now a good 20 seconds and just get used to the feeling of being in that position there. It will feel uncomfortable to most of you, so just get used to it, feel that position, hang there for around about 20 seconds, and then we're going to start moving from side to side, okay? So we're going to move over from one side, okay, and just going to push all of your weight. Allow the weight to stretch the ankles and the feet, that's absolutely fine. Okay, yeah, you may feel the stretch within the knees as well, that's all okay. So we're just going to move out to one side, put the weight on the one side, and then you're going to move over to the opposite side like so, just for a couple of seconds, and over from one side, and then over to then the other. And so what we're starting to do here is, as we're going from side to side, is yes, we are mobilizing the ankles, getting a deep stretch out the quads, which is helping with the knees, but then really also is that we're getting right deep into the hips there at this position, and we're just going to slowly move from one side to the other whilst you're pushing, okay, yeah, out with the elbows there, and that will really help to dig into the depths there of the hips, okay? So we're just going to go out to side, pushing out the elbows all the way through, just really mobilize the hips down in that end range. Okay, team, so give that one a go.